How to create captions from Audiate. First of all, open Audiate and import your audio file. Once imported, Audiate will automatically transcribe your audio into text. Review the transcription for accuracy and make any necessary corrections directly within the text editor. Next, once you are satisfied with the transcription, navigate to the File menu and select Export. Then look for the Export Script option and click on it. Now, you can save the file as either .txt or .srt for captions. With Audiate typically supporting common formats like SRT, which is compatible with most video platforms. Give the file a name and click Save. Finally, upload the generated caption file to your video platform such as YouTube or Vimeo, ensuring the caption file is properly synced with your video to provide accurate and timed subtitles. And that's it. Now you know how to create captions from Audiate. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.